It's starting.
Yeah,
So here, I think it's starting to form a base here, with a break above this area at around just a
yeah,
second. So you're starting to see a potential basing pattern here. With a break above this 465 to 469 would be bullish, and this would
mm,
suggest an upside of 380 minus 460.
mm. Right now it's breaking through, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Sorry, you're touching the line right now. It's 1,466, but oh, it hasn't recaptured, right?
Yeah, potentially 465 to 469. If the break is successful, you're looking into 550. So right about here, but you have initial resistance here at around 500, 495 area, which includes your 50-day.
Mm. Okay, okay, I see. So this is actually a rather bullish sign, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Okay. Cool. And Lily?
Uh, Lily is somewhat. Can you give me the other tickers first? Or just waiting for it to load. Here for Lily, from what I'm seeing yesterday, it's struggling to break above this resistance line provided by the 50-day and 200-day area, at
Mm.
around 840 to 830. Um, so we see a pullback from here, and your initial support is again here at around 716 to
So you're right.
740.
This one is pretty negative, right? It's broken
Yeah,
down, right?
yeah,
What? This is bizarre. You know, two
uh,
days ago I thought it was a breakout, right?
yeah, yeah, yeah. uh, Correct. Fortunately, that there's no follow through on that price action. Uh, yeah, so we're seeing a pullback right now, and I think we're seeing this pullback in a lot of the U.S. healthcare names. Right?
Yeah, it's a market wide shit, right? So that's why. Okay, okay. Can we take a look at Daiichi and Otsuka? So 4568, 4578.
Sorry, I'm slow right now. Okay, for Daiichi, um, still struggling with this resistance area. If we see some consolidation here and we touch this, then you're gonna see another potential basing pattern forming. Again, a break above this area at around 3714 to 3790 would be bullish, and it suggests about 300 700 yen move from 37.
Mm.
But for now, you have resistance here at 3714 to 3790, and your initial support is at the 50-day MA at around 3464 yen.
Oh, okay.
For Atsuka, um, so again, this resistance area is still valid at around 7840. We also have another resistance, a shelf of resistance here at the 200-day at 8050, and also this area at around 82. So there's a shelf of resistance in this area. If it breaks below the 50-day, you're looking into 6940 and what's this 6510.
Oh, okay. So it didn't break out, right? So it's actually at risk here, right?
Yeah.
No, but it's
Since
still staying above the 20, right?
yesterday.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah,
sir.
the 50. Okay, okay.
Yes, yes. Correct.
Hmm. Yeah. Okay. Cool, cool. Then that's that's Otsuka, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Can we take a look at ISRG and UNH?
Thanks for being here. Sorry, my memory's a bit slow today. Um, okay, for ISRG, um, so price action remains strong. It still remains above this area, at support and breakout area at 516. So it could move towards the upper bound of its uptrend channel at around 600, 610. Um, and it also still above your key moving average at the 50-day and 200-day at 507 and 515. So I think this is relative outperformer and price action remains strong. Households are seeing inflation almost zero because a big part of that is because rice prices have
Okay,
started
okay,
to come
got it.
down, fuel prices also
This is
down.
awesome.
So
Okay, cool. Uh,
H,
yeah, 1 minute. Can we look
not
at
sure.
4503, 4503, 4523, and sorry, one of these jokers. 1 minute, what is his name? Ono, where's Ono? 4528.
So for United, um, again, uh, so we're still not seeing um a RSI buy at the moment. And the breakdown from this area still considered bearish for the stock. So there's still bearish overhang on the stock. So probably next support is here at sorry. Um, let me just next support is here at about 360, 365.
Hmm.
Spending is uprising trickle into the economy.
Okay,
Hopefully,
got it.
will
And that's UNH, right? Yeah.
yes, correct.
Okay, let's take a look at the next one. And Stellas.
So Stellas, um, so for Stellas, your let me just use this. Change after 1 week. I think this had a dividend recently, since this line don't correspond to some support area. So for Stellas, it's still above the 50-day support. But it has experienced some resistance here at the 1475 area. Resistance provided by your March highs. So it needs to break above that to suggest continuation of bullish price action with your next resistance here at the 200-day at now at 1544.
Okay.
That's something we're looking at. The Century brand.
Okay, this is awesome. Yeah, that's Stellas, right? Yeah.
Yeah. Well. Next. Gaining for the Century brand, but as our investors know, we address the tuna segment with a
Yeah.
portfolio of assets.
So the 555 is a lucky seven. But I trust the brands are important part of our portfolio. Friendster is also growing because that's our value brand. So, we had some marketing campaigns that have gone viral. Blue Bay has always been steady as a regional player. It's actually the 555 brand where I think we've lost more share there. We have our main competitor who uh, is offering
Yeah.
a very
Sorry,
competitive
John. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Let's
Uh,
go ahead with the ASI. Yeah. What do you think here?
for this one, it's testing support of this minor trading range that is forming, and if it fails to hold, or we take this for 4,116 support, then you're looking into testing this support area at 3,463. Um, as you can see, it's also just below the 50-day moving average, which also ties to the support area of this trading range.
Oh, it's that support area right now, right? And if it breaks
Yes, yes,
down, it's gone, right?
yes. You're looking here at 3,468.
Mm. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. Awesome. Great. Ono? No,
Or
this novel, right? Is so tricky. Oh, okay, but you go ahead, Ono first. Then I'll come back to this because I was thinking of chasing it today. Now I'm questioning, should I? Yeah, yeah. Go ahead,
yeah,
Ono.
okay.
Yeah.
For Ono, again, it's stuck within this trading range between 1464 and about 1716, 1760.
Yeah.
With the break below the 50-day.
It's very negative.
Uh,
Yeah. Yeah.
yeah, so you're gonna retest this area at 1464.
Mm. Ah. But what happened? As in it suddenly collapsed, right? There was no signal, right? It wasn't an RSI sell, right?
You have
Yeah, yeah.
here.
I know it broke
Yeah.
out slightly with the RSI lower, right?
Yes.
Ah, I should have hit it below the 200 day. Okay, for whatever reason, I was thinking it was going to get close to the 200 day. It didn't, right? Okay,
It
okay.
didn't. Yeah.
Yeah, fine,
Yeah.
fine. Okay, that's Ono. Can we look at Takeda? And Takeda is 4502 and then 4543.
4502,
Yeah,
45,
4543.
4543.
Yeah, and then what's the last guy? 7733.
Okay. For Takeda, um, again, this resistance area at around 4455, 4454, 4455 appears to be a strong resistance for now. I see it pull back from this area, and it's now approaching your initial support provided by the 50-day, which is
Hmm.
now at 4308.
Hmm.
Hmm.
Wow. So,
Um, yeah,
but I can't believe it. It actually went to retest the high, right? So
yeah.
so it okay at the lows, right? Did it flag the RSI buy? It didn't, right? It just went straight up.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so would you short it here, given that it has just failed the resistance level? I get it, there's no
Hmm.
RSI sell, but you would give it the benefit of doubt, right? It's still above the 50, right?
Yeah, but a bit close, but yeah. It
Mm.
could rebound from here since it's at the 50-day.
Ah,
Uh,
this is a super tricky stock because the fundamentals are good. I like it, but every
mhm.
time we trade it, it's been the other way. Yeah, because look at the last one, right? It
Yeah,
was a clear breakout, right? Then
yeah.
next thing
Then the
next thing you know, it
reverse.
fell off the cliff, and it fell off the cliff without it being its problem. So something else, right? Okay,
Yeah.
okay. So now it's testing it, but you give it benefit of doubt, right? To break above,
Mhm.
right?
Yes.
Now fundamentally, it's actually the right timing. Ah, disaster. Okay, can we look at Terumo? Yeah.
Caramel, I think again, some resistance forming. This is a formidable resistance for the stock at around 2850 to 847. You see it pull back today. It's still above the 50-day at 2725. So there's still a chance for it to retest this high and probably break out, and which would have bullish implications if successful.
Mm. Mm. So this one's actually quite bullish, huh?
I think, yeah.
But the US interest rate is not coming down. That's the funny thing. It's not even acting it right. Okay, got it, got it. Okay, let's take a look at 7733.
highlighting that yet.
Oh, but before we
Okay.
get there, sorry, last one, man. Can you just hit 4901?
It's very coming down.
Yeah, this one's the result soon, and then let's see where we can pick it up. Yeah, this.
Okay, for Olympus, um, so the with the advance, it's already broken above the 50-day,
Oh,
and even with
into trading
its,
range, right? Yeah.
yeah, so even it's pulled back today, it's that support at 1915, 1905 is still holding.
This is
Um,
bizarre, man. Everyone's negative this, but it's just going up in the. That's exactly the point. The fundamentals and the technicals has no correlation, and the technicals win all the time. It's bizarre. I don't know until there's a fundamental move. Okay, I see. I see. Okay. Okay. So now this one is bullish, right? It can trade to the top end of the range, right? The
yes,
trading range.
around here about
That's
two one
so
nine.
far away. I mean, I know there's a line of resistance in the middle, right? Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, but this is quite solid. Oh, okay, fine. So actually, we should buy some
as long as it's
yeah,
above here.
MedTech. Yeah, okay, got it. Okay, cool. And then sorry, we covered UNH already, right? I was gonna ask that
Yes.
in detail. Okay, can we look at ALC?
Uh,
ALC and this FFME.
There must be
Yeah, ALC FME.
F.
Yes, Fresenius. Yeah, exactly.
I guess in a way.
So for Fujifilm, um, so despite the pullback, you're still above this area and also the 50-day at 2903.
Mm,
The key resistance for this one right now is that around 21, sorry, around 3230 to 32 to 3230.
mm.
So it might feel some hesitation as it nears this area.
Okay, okay, got it, got it. But this is a breakout, right? And
On the
and
50 days,
yeah,
yeah.
at the bottom, did it flash RSI buy? Didn't.
No.
This guy is like doesn't ever does that. Okay, fine. Okay, so okay, maybe a different question, right? It reports this week.
Mhm.
If it crashes, where do I step in to buy it?
No,
Or where? Yeah, you use the
the
50-day, right?
yes, yes.
Oh shit, that's so far away. Okay. Have to buy this note. Okay, I know it's just moving over the topics. That's the funny thing. Okay, got it, got it. And ALC?
ALC,
Yeah.
uh,
Oh,
not
so
doing
resistant.
much.
Yeah,
Oscillating above your moving averages at 78, 17, 78 to 80 area.
yeah.
Um, if it continues to move down from its current level, then you're gonna retest this support at 74.
Mm,
But right now, I would say that it's still oscillating above your moving averages, which is the
yeah.
midpoint of this range between 74 and 85, 82.
Okay, got it, got it. Okay, that's helpful. Um, yeah. Then hold on, let me just take a look. Okay, is this President's, right? Yeah,
Right?
that was President. Yeah, yeah. Okay, got it.
Yeah.
ALC? Yeah.
This one is AOC.
Oh, okay, fine. Then let's get to DXCM.
Okay,
Yeah,
yeah.
DXCM. Okay, and then EW.
How do you see this coming out?
Yeah.
Pretty secure.
And then MDT,
They are a listed company, so I can't say too much.
and then ABT.
Not our challenge more is
Okay, so for Fresenius, price action is a bit long. It has already broken above your
Oh,
resistance here at
yeah,
the 47, sorry, at the 48.31 area.
yeah. And momentum still
Um,
rising, right? Yeah.
Momentum still rising. So your next resistance for the stock is here.
No,
Or here.
I want to short this monster, but forget about it, right?
Uh,
You're saying, yeah. No, unless it crosses back into
yes, yes,
the channel again, right?
yes, correct.
Okay, okay. If it stays above, just leave it alone, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, got it, got it. Let's go to the next one, DXCM.
DXCM,
This is incredible. Okay, and there was an RSI buy, right? You flagged it for me, right?
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, so it was a price low and momentum way above. Bounce, bounce
Mhm.
through all the moving averages.
Your
Yeah.
yes. So your next resistance for this is this area.
Shit.
At around
Yeah.
90 to 93, 94.
Mm.
So there's also a minor, you can call it a minor basing pattern here.
Thanks for that, Chris.
Here.
Yeah, I get it. It's so scary. Okay, okay.
Let me just draw some quick.
Yeah,
So like that.
yeah, I got it.
Okay.
Costs are we seeing some pressures on it?
Yeah. So you're about your key resistance is here next.
Yeah. So this is a triple base out, right? That's why it is solid, right?
Yes, with the corresponding RSI by
Mm. Okay. Hold on.
It's driven by mostly coming from the overhang of our beginning inventory coming from last year.
Okay, good. Let's move to the next one then. Cool.
Hmm.
Oh, this is a failing, right?
He looks like it. So
Yeah.
for Edwards, just so for Edwards, you have a resistance zone here between 76
Yeah.
and 77.
Mm.
Your momentum is somewhat weakening, and hesitating below this resistance area. So could be a take profit candidate for now with your initial support at the moving average that's between 70 to 71.4.
Raw materials.
I got it. Okay. This is helpful. EW. Okay, let's go to the next one then. MDT.
MDT, the 200-day is still a strong resistance for the stock. As you can see, the failure since last month to retake this area.
Mm.
So your next support here is
Yeah.
around this area,
And if
77.
it breaks this, the triple base is negated, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Or actually, you want it to break the right shoulder, right?
That would be safer. Yeah,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Wow, this is crazy bugger. Okay, cool. Let's look at ABT then.
ABT, um, so it's still hesitating below this resistance area.
And it's
That's
not a short,
around
right? Yeah, because
30,
yeah.
133 and 140.
Mm.
But long term, there's still a breakout here. So, which has I forgot our upside target, but
Yes, no problem. Yeah, I can calculate that. Okay, so you're still bullish this one. When will you change your mind? What do you need to see?
um, it breaks below the 200-day.
Mm.
This
Oh, they're so far
breakout
away.
area.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay, yeah.
yeah.
Okay,
But in
got
the
it.
short term, you have support here at 130. So
Okay,
it could, if it breaks that, then it could retest this low at 120.
okay, got it. Okay, can we take a look at the big boys, right?
Sure.
I guess adding
MRK.
what Chris said a while ago on
Yeah.
promoting
BMY.
this year. Last year, considering the
ABBV.
raw material prices for dairy, I guess that really gave some extra ammunition for
And
our
PFE.
competitors as well to be extra competitive in that space. So this year, I guess driven by
Did you see Lawrence's note yesterday or today? He-
No. Would he write about this?
just a quick note that biotech is among the sectors that are flashing the market signals, sell
Oh,
signals. So
biotech, as in uh
IBB,
XLV or XBI? Sorry, what was the thing?
IBB, IBB.
IBB. Okay, I know. Then that's the big cap biotech. Okay, got it. I'm gonna look at it right now actually. IBB. Okay, let's see what this is saying now.
So for this, you're seeing a failure below the 50-day moving out. It didn't touch it, but you can see it closing it, and then the
Ah,
failure at the 50-day
yeah,
is now caused it to pull back. So
yeah.
your
So
next,
we reached to the bottom, right? Yeah.
yeah. So your
But
next,
this does not make any sense. Okay, and then it will form an RSI buy, right?
uh, hopefully yes.
Yeah. We cannot preempt it. But let's
Yes.
say today it drops again, it gets closer to the bottom, right?
This one
Yeah,
around
yeah.
76. Yeah.
Oh my
It,
goodness, 76. Shit. Yeah, okay. Yeah,
it
and then it starts
and then
turning up,
bounce.
it's an RSI
Yeah.
buy, right?
Yes, correct.
Okay, understood. So
But
that's
still
mm,
being capped by the 50-day.
yeah. Okay, never mind. Let's go to the next one then.
the impact of
We saw
weaker dollar.
kind of a significant pullback last few days. So from 50, looking at 47 as initial support.
Mm.
Could turn to an RSI buy if starts to test this area and then recover.
RSI buy,
So
right? Yep. Yep.
so after this you have this area
Uh
about 44 to 45.
yeah, I almost want to wait here, because Trump is going to hit the sector of tariffs. So
Yeah,
no,
yes.
no, no. So great. Thanks for drawing this out because I need to know what level it looks stupid, right? Yeah. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay. Got it. That actually, this is a weaker name. Let's see FV. FV is the favorite. Let's see where everyone is waiting to buy.
Probably closing it on it now since
Oh my
closing it
goodness.
on the
I didn't even realize
20
the
day.
stock looks so strong.
Yeah. So even the pullback is a bit muted compared to others. So you have some key support here at the 200 day at about 185, 186.
Mm.
So it could rebound from there. But if it fails that, then you're looking to this area around 166 to 163.
Ah. Okay. Got it. Got it. Okay. Awesome.
Uh,
Yeah. Next.
Again, one of the weaker names, and it has failed at the
Below.
50 day.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you hear me?
Oh.
Uh,
So I should short this one, right? Because
yes.
yeah, it's just fail anyway, right?
Yes.
Got it. Got it.
So your next support is here at 20, about 20.9
See, that's the
divided by.
problem, right? Once things blow up, everything is a short. I have no longs, right? Look at
Okay.
Merck. It's supposed to come lower, right? But
Yeah, yes,
but
yes.
but yeah, yeah. Then people even question Lily, and Lily's results were good, so that's the bizarre thing.
Oh,
Okay, yeah. Okay, fine. But Lily, you're negative, right? You said it was going to go lower, close the lower bar, right? That's the problem.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay. Shit, I better get out, Lily. Okay. Can we get AMGN? So we jump to the first page.
But yeah,
AMGN.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Then JNJ. Yeah. And then GILD. Yeah, and then BNTX.
Yeah.
Oh, actually, sorry. Let's do VRTX. VRTX. Yeah, this thing is the culprit last night. Then we do BNTX. So you know this Vertex, right? Everyone was hiding there. The bunker got blown, and then they destroyed the whole sector. I'm like, what the
Damn.
hell? I don't even own Vertex. What is it going to do with me? So actually, let's see what the reading is,
Okay.
please. Yeah.
Okay. So for Amgen,
Oh, it's holding the
so
line. Yeah.
holding this line,
Yeah, but it could go lower and get to the dotted line,
the,
right?
yes.
Okay, next time it's there, I'm gonna buy the shit out of it. That's right. Can you touch it again? I just want to see what the reading is. Can you touch the dotted line again? Yeah.
About 255.
Oh, I thought 252. I might be waiting for a level that doesn't happen. Okay, got it. Okay, and this would you buy it if it bounces off the red line? Not really, right? It's
Uh,
it's not really an RSI buy because it's too close
no.
together, right? Yeah. You would prefer it goes lower, right? Clean lower, right?
Yeah.
In fact, this is the major component of IBB. So you're saying that if it's
mm,
RSI sell, it will go lower. Okay, got it. Yeah, but I think it would be great. Okay, let's look at J&J. Yeah,
J&J, um,
it's bizarre. This thing
so
doesn't break. Yeah.
mm, it doesn't move quite significantly compared to the others, but
Mm,
there's
still
a
below.
clear
Yeah.
resistance here at the 50-day, and it's oscillating on your 200-day. If it
Uh,
continues to move down next few days, then it could move towards this low.
mm,
However, right now, what I'm seeing is still oscillating around here and probably capped by the 50-day, which is around 159
mm.
for now at least.
Okay. Got it. Okay. Awesome. Uh, and then let's see.
Gilead,
Yeah.
uh, so like the other names, the rebounds are being capped by the 50-day. You can see here, and has started to correct as it closed,
Mm,
as it draw near to the 50-day a few days ago.
mm.
So right now it's pulling back, and your next key support is your 200-day at
Okay, I tell you what, right?
9.
This thing has been the worst ever stock for me because I was shorting it all the way in February, right? It looks like in February, you see the RS, then the gap up.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it was flashing RSI. I know there was a breakout, okay, but it was also flashing RSI sell. So I short it. It after the 2 days drop, it opened 10% up on the results, and then it went all the way up to
Right
120.
here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then I didn't dare to short it anymore. I was like, what, the whole world wants to own this shit, right? So, and you know, at the time there was Trump left, right, center, right? But people thought HIV was safe. Okay. But the point is, from that point onwards in late Feb, right? What did any RSI sell signal happen? Yes, right? In late Feb, this point probably is, right? Yeah.
Probably here.
Yes. But then it sort of fulfilled it within a week or two, and then it bounced. But the second,
Yeah.
this one, there was no RSI sell, right?
No.
Mm.
Just say in I forgot the term. Inverse hammer.
Yes.
So yeah.
So then it crosses below the 50-day and everyone's in pain, right? That
Yes.
now it's beginning to really hurt, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Where would you
Uh,
press where would you press the shot if it breaks below the current defense line, which is right below here, right? I mean, close, very close, right? If you draw a line right now, yeah. Excluding the intraday crazy, yeah. Oh,
oh, somewhere
yeah,
initially here, but you have some strong support here at the
at 200
200-day.
day. Okay, now
Like,
if it closes below the 200 day, then we are clear to hammer it, right? That's what it is, right?
yeah. True. So
Yeah.
your next is here.
No, this one is so tricky because everyone loves it, and I don't want to be fighting them, right? I just want to know,
True.
and they don't even make up their mind in the GIFT. They dilly dally and they drag almost like Lily, you know. Everyone likes it, right? Yeah. Okay, understood. So this one you are neutral, right? You want to see more info because now the 200 day is just below, right?
Yeah.
It probably even bounced at the red line, right?
Yes.
The
Correct.
upper red line. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Vertex.
Vertex.
By the way,
So
I just missed the BDMS, which you like. It's at 4% right now. Pisses me off. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah.
so with the pullback yesterday, it's now below your 50-day and 200-day moving averages.
Mm.
So it's now somewhat in the middle of this trading range, but with it being if it if it stays below the 200-day for a prolonged time, then you're probably gonna test this 394 support.
So it did break below it, right?
Yes.
And it has no support, right? It's pretty much screwed, right? The only
Mhm.
problem is if you see the last few times it got to this level, it bounced straight back, right?
Mhm.
Yeah, so if you were to put a straight line through this level, the where 450 is where a lot of people like to defend it. Would you agree or not really? Last time around they were all above 200 day. Yeah, I
Well,
was trying to
here,
draw this line. Yes. Yeah.
yes, you're correct. So, with the breakdown here on
Yeah.
the 200-day, it's now in the middle of the range of this wider range.
Mm.
So, since it's in the middle, probably better
Wait
wait,
first, right? Yeah.
wait first for some confirmation.
Mm. Because
Where
I've seen
we
this bounce in mid-air on no
this
support
one.
line several times, right? Yeah. And then you see the last time, right? It broke all the way down in December. It came
Yes,
back
correct.
like a rocket, man. What the hell was that?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
No, I've never seen that before. I think this Vertex was because it was a major. I wouldn't call it a failure, but it was a major product fuck up, right? I'm amazed. Okay, fine. So let's see. BioNTech?
Normally we wouldn't.
No.
And tech, uh,
Ah,
still
I'm still waiting for the $78 buy. Okay, very
which
far
is
away.
it.
76,
Uh,
huh? Oh, shit, it's so far away.
so
Yeah.
it's still like some other names. It's in the
Mm.
middle of its range.
Yeah.
With it smooth, roughly in the middle of the range at 94, 95. So
Yeah. Yeah.
it remains below 95.
Mm.
Then um still further go down to 80 or
No,
78.
but it held the range, right? That's the problem, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Did it flash a RSI sell right before? It didn't, right? It was a price
No, no,
120, right? Yeah. Okay, fine.
no.
Yeah. This thing got killed by Summit actually. Let's see
Oh,
Summit. Yeah, because they are opponents in the same lane like Lili Novo. So
uh,
the other guy blows up. Yeah, can we look at SMMT?
just
Yeah, yeah, this ticker, this page, SMMT. Okay, then let's take a look at the next tab. 9926 HK,
1926.
26 HK. Yeah, okay, and then you flip one more page, right? I was gonna do NOVN. Yeah, and then ROG. Yeah, and then AZN.
And with that, maybe Chris, if you have any parting
Okay, and then
words.
if you give me one more tab, SANFP. Yeah,
You know,
Sanofi, SANFP.
quick off the starting block if you want. See
For Summit, so somewhat similar to what we're discussing with the other news. It's in the middle of the trading of this wider trading range.
Mm.
If it continues to go down, then you still have your 50-day at the 2150 area.
Mm. But
And
this summit has tends to bounce here, even on really bad news, it managed to hold at 21, right?
Mhm.
Yeah, 2021. Okay. But if it breaks below that, I can hammer it to the bottom of the range, right?
a or this area at 19.
19. Okay. Got it. Almost there.
Almost there.
Yeah. Okay.
Almost there,
Yeah,
yeah.
well, I see tonight. Kiso? Yeah.
So um even with the pullback recently,
It's still bullish, huh?
you still have key support here at 78.
Yeah. And the 50 days
So
moving up there. Yeah.
yep. Yes, yes, correct.
Yeah, this is the fraud. This is the main fraud actually. I don't know how this survives, but okay, I think it's the strength of the market. Okay, let's look at NOVN. Yeah. Oh, this
Novartis
is a
is a
short,
bit, yeah, this
right?
is a bit weak. Um,
Yeah,
with
so
the
it failed at the 50, broken down to 200, right?
yes. So if it fails to retake this
Mm,
today or tomorrow, then
it's gonna go
could
lower. Yeah.
retest, could retest this area at 82.
Oh, could be a free shot.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, then why not? Why not? Let's pick up the money. Okay, let's go to the next one then.
Mm.
Yeah, Roche. Ah, this is
Roche
bizarre. Oh no,
for
it's
Roche.
holding the 200 day, right? Right now.
Uh, my
Yeah.
yes,
No, it's
yes.
below, right?
Uh,
Oh, it didn't close. It didn't close. This is live. Yeah.
sure, it's close. So I would say it's oscillating around the 200-day for now.
Hmm.
Um,
Benefit of doubt. Yeah, yeah. It
benefit
probably will
of the
go up.
doubt.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you ideally would want to see a few days below the 200-day to suggest
Mm.
that
Okay. No, no. So many
we
shots are
can.
emerging in my sector, and the funny thing is, it's all Trump. The reasoning is all Trump. It's just bizarre. Okay, fine. I hate this. Okay, let's go to AZN.
The reason is Trump, whether it's short or long.
Yeah. Okay, this one I want it to properly crash. Ah, so annoying. But no one's there. Can you just draw in the lines where I step in and buy? Yeah.
Mm,
Yeah.
or
Yeah, for AZN. Where would you buy it?
probably here.
9.5, right? 9.7.
Sorry, let's go somewhere here
Hmm.
and here, but
Okay, I got it.
still
Yeah.
quite
Far away.
far away at the moment.
Yeah. But this thing is in the middle of nowhere, right? So
Yeah,
yeah, okay, fine, fine. Let's hope
you
it
have
gets there.
resistance also here, so it's
Mm.
like a trading range of some sort.
Yeah, but it has a turn day to contend with, right? Yeah.
Yes,
Yes.
correct.
Got it. Okay, fine. Yeah. Okay, let's go to the next page.
Sanofi are somewhat similar, although the pullback is more drastic than uh Astra. So for this one, you have support here between 86 and 87.50.
Mm.
Your resistance, as you can see, is
98, yeah.
98. It failed to take out the
Yeah, so
200
I
day.
should short this one, right? I'm
Uh,
amazed it's down 3% today. What the fuck? I've never seen this. I've never seen it done this. It's cheap. Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. But okay, but you would say because it has failed at the 200 day, it's actually quite a serious breach, right? It could go all the
mm,
way into the red segment before I go long, right?
yes.
Okay, very, very helpful. Nobody knows what the hell is going on. But I'll
Yeah.
see it. Yeah. No, sometimes, right,
Yeah.
when it gets really cheap, we can just buy it a
Yeah.
significant amount, and this is safe, you know. I see, I see. Okay, cool. I'm good at this one. Can we look at TMODHR?
No. Here.
TMODHR, then MRKGY,
Mhm.
and then mm, uh SRT3, and then BDX. Then actually we're almost done. Oh, okay, sorry, one more ticker. Teva,
B- B-
TEVA.
BDX, is this correct?
Yeah, BDX. Bravo Delta X-ray.
Okay.
Yeah, sorry, and then LEGN, Legend. Yeah, and then sorry, ONC. Sorry, I took up all your tickets.
Uh,
Yeah.
okay.
Oh no 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 no! If you're gonna open a new one, then no bother. It's fine. I'll go to yeah ONC. ONCUS. Yeah. Okay. There we go.
So for TMO,
Oh, breach.
it
Close at the
reached the
bottom,
support.
but the
Um,
momentum is better, right? Yeah.
it's still higher than this one, but the thing is, it's still
It,
not closing in a green. So I still can say that it's
mm,
a RSI buy at the moment. We still need to see it close on a green so that this
I
one has a
I'm actually keen to charge in on this. I'm just gonna forget about it because all the Trump nonsense doesn't hurt it, you know. And it's post results. So let's see. Okay, let's see DHR. Let's see whether it confirms the theory.
DHR. So
Oh, this
it
is
has,
better, right? It's in the range, right?
yeah, it has failed below the 50
Yeah.
day
So we'll
in
throw
support.
lower first, right? Yeah.
It could trade lower here at 185,
Mm.
and next support is here at 172. Let me just draw a
You
line
think
here.
it? Yeah. You think it breaks the line there? I'm just shocked. Okay. Okay. Fine.
Well,
Fine.
this line is quite
It's weak.
close to
Yeah. Yeah. It's
where it is right now.
yeah. Okay. Fine. I see. I see. Okay. So TMO and DHR, you don't have any signal. It looks bearish, but closing
Mm,
onto a RSI buy, right?
something like that, yes.
Yes. Okay. Cool. Can we take a look at Merck? Yeah.
Merck,
Yeah.
uh, what's going against it is that it's failed below the 50 day.
Yeah.
So there's some, it's still further fall down, probably here at around 116. Let me just draw a line here. Probably somewhere here. And then also here at 109, 108.
Mm. Mm.
Mm.
So this is a short, right?
Yeah.
But how if it crosses above the 50 day, I should get out of the short, right? That's what this is saying.
Yes, yes, yes.
Mm. I don't have any longs. That's the problem. I want to short this. Okay, fine.
Uh,
Can we look at SRT3? Everything is a short after
right
today.
for now,
Yeah.
yeah. Except probably for
Yeah.
Novo.
Yeah. Oh, that's scary. The shit is up 6 now. Yeah.
So not I can't see. I don't have much to say here that than
Mm.
aside from
It's
it's
battling in the
oscillating.
middle. Yeah, battling in
Yeah,
the
yeah,
middle of the
yeah.
range, right?
Yes,
Yeah, okay.
and being sandwiched by your moving averages.
Yeah, okay. Novo, ADR is up 8% right now.
Oh
Lately it's
wow.
up 2. But it was down 6 last night. That's the problem. So I don't think it can recapture. Okay, let's see. Let's
Uh,
see. We back then.
Becton.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, this is
uh,
bizarre, right? Okay.
yeah.
Okay, first of all, what the hell did I miss? Was there a sell signal? No, right? It it was
Mm,
it was I know it's below range. And there was maybe a reference line, right? Yeah, so to back all the way to 2020. Okay, then it broke down, right? So now it's going for broke, right? There's no reference where people could step in and buy, right?
Step in and buy. Uh,
Yeah, you have to go back.
Probably gonna look longer. EDX.
Hmm,
I have a routine chart here. So,
totally amazing this.
oh, so your next support area is somewhere. Oh, it's already there.
Hmm. It's already
So this is
there. Yeah,
2017
yeah,
low,
yeah, yeah, yeah.
168. Um, your next support is you have oh, it's quite close, 160, 156.
Hmm.
This is
Okay.
your next support, 156.
156.
Mm.
Let's see. Let's see. I don't see any reason to buy this junk at all. Okay, but fine. Yeah, let's look at Legend, LEGN. And so I missed the shot. I'm just trying to understand was there any signal to tell me no, right? Because it was close to all the previous support. So this one took
Mhm.
yeah, it has to take a proper fundamental breakdown to break everything, right? I see.
Yes.
Okay, understood. Cool. Let's do it
Uh,
at Legend.
Legend.
Yeah, this one, someone very smart just told me it's a buy.
Oh,
Yeah.
um,
Let me see if it is. I needed.
so you have
Oh, this is good.
you're already so
Yeah.
near support zone of your sorry
Okay,
of
but this is
your
not a good support zone, right? I should be really safe and I go to the other lower bar, right?
yes, which is 29.
29.
Yeah.
This is fun. 29 to 35 is 1 minute, huh? 35 divided by 29 is 20% upside. Yeah. It's good enough, actually. Yeah, I should do that. Oh, yes, I'm so happy. Okay. Yeah, let's go to Beijing then. Yeah.
Beijing,
Yeah, this is a short, right?
yes, with the movement yesterday,
Ah,
it is broken below the 50-day.
this is
Uh,
amazing. It managed to do that that bounce on the 200 day, right? That's
yeah.
scary. Like shit. I thought that was a breakdown. Yeah.
So yeah, your next support is your 200-day again at now at
Oh,
213.
yes. I should short it tonight actually. Yeah, because it's Chinese and the FDA had turmoil. Okay, understood. Okay, I guess we're almost done. Sorry, I have
Okay,
a few laggard stickers, right?
sure.
REGN, Regeneron, yeah. Then MDGL,
MD.
yeah. AVDL and TEVA.
Oh,
Teba,
oh,
yes.
sorry. Sorry.
Okay, then we got everything solid.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, sorry, give me one more ticket. ELV.
Hmm.
Oh, sorry, no. ELV is not important. Let's do SYK. Yeah, then we're done.
Okay, for Gen 1, um, you have an RSI by here, but the rebound was capped by the 50-day. So with that move, it could probably retest that low again. Let me just release this. It could retest this low again and probably flag another RSI buy. With this one is around.
Yeah, this thing is constantly flagging RSI buy, like rally, fail, and then
Yeah, yeah,
I almost should sell it before it reaches the 200, the 50 day, right? Yeah.
yes. So 526. So
Yeah, okay. Let's hope it gets there. Okay, very cool. Okay, then let's do MDGL. By the
and
way, right, this kind of keep flashing RSI shit, right, is bad fundamentals, right, but decent company. So it just there's a big battle, right? And cheap and bounce, right?
mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay, I'm just saying,
um
you see this often or not, right? Like Regeneron type.
I see. Uh this one looks topish actually.
Mm,
If you're it just looks like
yeah, it could
a
break down, right?
triple,
Yeah.
triple top if it breaks below the 200-day, which is
Mm,
almost where that now. Where is that now? 291, 290. So if it breaks below 290, I'm a bit more bearish on this.
yes. Oh no,
So
this is very good. You know, this I actually I know it gave results and the results crashed it. So it died.
yeah.
Yeah, and the results are not bad, which is why everyone is like, "Oh my God, something's wrong with the stock." So this is something.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I guess. Okay. No, we have a good shot. Okay, AVDL. Yeah,
AVDL. Um
this one's ultra
so
bullish actually. I
so
know it's at the upper range. Yeah,
even with the
failed. Yeah,
uh so it has failed to break out for now, but
yeah.
it's still at the upper end of your trading
Range.
range.
Yeah, you give it
So
benefit of doubt, right? Or no,
yeah,
actually, no. Or is it an RSI sell? No,
too
not really.
close
Yeah,
call. As long as it
stays above. Yeah.
stays above this 50-day. I think
Mm,
there's still some chance to break out from this.
mm. Okay, let's see. I think there's a catalyst for it to break out dramatically, but let's see.
Mm.
Okay, go. Let's do the next one then.
Ever. So the rebound seems to be capped by the 200-day, sorry.
Mm,
If it continues to weaken, it could retest this support at the 50-day, which is
yeah.
now at 15.25. Um, and see where what it does
Okay.
at that
Well,
support.
first thing first, right? Did I
Mhm.
miss an RSI buy? I did, right? Where's the RSI buy? Yeah.
I'm not sure if this is. Oh, I
Yeah.
think it is
Yeah, it is, right? Very, very tiny one, right? Yeah,
tiny.
okay.
Yeah.
It's the big down blue bar, right? I should have bought there, right?
Mhm.
Yeah, okay, fine. But was there anything that suggested this kind of rally post, the consistent rally up? No, right? It just broke all the
Not.
way. Yeah, it just broke all the way through. But now it's at a resistance level, I see, right? So
Yes. Yes.
yeah, okay. So the best case is it keeps going higher, but and then stop at 200 day. But
Mhm.
I might get a chance to buy it lower, right? If it breaks the 50, right?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, that's good enough. Okay, can we look at Striker? Yeah.
Mhm. Spiker. Um. So while it remains above the 50-day and 200-day,
Mm,
you're nearing the resistance area. So right now you have limited upside, I think,
yeah.
and your support area is your confluence of the 50-day and 200-day at 365 to 368.
Okay, got it,
Mhm.
got it. Okay. Cool, cool. Thank you so much, right, Jonathan. I think we
Sure,
covered
sure.
all the ground today. Yeah, sorry, it's I missed out the first 15 minutes. But hey, next time I'm just gonna give you my I'm just gonna type you later with my cell number, right? You
All
just
right.
like WhatsApp me or whatever, right? If you see me, like I'm your call is always important to me, you know. So if it's not, I'm just sitting at the desk and not looking at the calendar. That's why.
I see, I see.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Talk to you later. Thanks
All
a lot,
right.
Jonathan. Have a good day.
Cheers,
All right.
cheers.
Bye
Yeah,
bye.
you too. Bye.